Okay, guys, this is just a final thank you note to myself because I did all the work on this. Well, I hope this prepares you as best as we can do it for the EX294. Is it the correct number? I'm burned. I'm been recording for so many for so many hours now. Reshoots, technical problems, you name it. Well, these I have recorded almost 20 videos about this series, and I like to work. I like to record them in one sitting because I'm dumb like that. But never mind. So I hope this helps you guys. Keep keep the feedback coming. Keep commenting. I'm going to release this as separate different videos, and I'm going to release this as a one full video, so you can, and with the timestamps, so you can follow along as you prefer. You can follow along one by one. You can follow along with the big one. Take your pick. I really hope that this helps everybody, and I really hope that everybody is going to show some tips to one another. And but once again, study, get prepared. This is not going to make you understand the concepts of, for example, what a role is or what a vault is, but at least it's going to put you on the right mindset. When you sit down for the exam, you will feel as comfortable as possible and give you the most chances of success. I really hope you succeed. I really hope you're successful. At the time of this recording, we are almost reaching 1K subscribers. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It really helps. If you want to have more videos like this in the future and much more content, much more skits, I'm happy to do those. But in big honesty, I do this for free right now. Not YouTube or anyone else is paying me. It is giving me money, and it's very time consuming. So I really want to convert this into a full-time gig. If you consider subscribing and commenting to boost the videos and get me at least monetized, it will be nice to have something back besides the satisfaction of help, because this requires time, gear. I need to script everything. I need to record everything, sometimes multiple times. I need to edit this out, and I have other things of my professional work to do. So it's not important to get monetized, but it's relevant to me because I really want to get something out of this contribution besides the main thing, that is helping everybody out. Don't get me wrong. The main thing is helping everybody to get successful. That's from my heart the most important thing. But I'm spending electricity, resources, and time, especially time, to do this. If I could get something back, it will be much appreciated. But the main point is, thanks for all the interaction so far. I hope this helps someone. If I help one person, it already made my day. Like, subscribe, and comment. It helps, and I'll see you next one, guys. Thank you, really.